Deb's greenhouse, and today they have made a whole golf set, and I will be doing it today. So would you guys like to watch me?
I think they would like to watch you, Eastyn. Wow.
When you knock it off, you put it right where you knocked it off on the board.
Wow, that's a tricky ball.
Well, sometimes it will be.
Yes.
When you're on the golf course, you should when you don't know which kind of path to go on, follow the rocks.
Okay.
Then you know which kind of side to start on.
Wow.
Oh shoot, there's ants in there. Oh my god, I'm scared. Here's the ants. This is really lots of fun, so you guys should come to Deb's greenhouse or Eastyn's greenhouse and come and play at this mini golf course where it's really fun. That's what you have to do. And then it has to go down here, but it has to go into there. But it's still really fun. That was funny. Hello. It's Deb's greenhouse again. But this time we're doing kind of a cool one. So you shot it. You have to go through all the bushes. You have to go into that hole over there. You have to go down this little tube. You have to go over there, and then you have to go into the little cup. Let's watch. So look, I'm here. Get it in. Go, go. That's how it's done. Okay. Have you guys ever played croquet? Because this is very fun. Because the next one, you go to croquet, and it's really fun. You have to get the ball through the white tubes.
Let's see.
This is really fun. Okay.